All right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of day it is where you are. I want to read a passage out of, some people say Habakkuk, some people say Habakkuk, but Habakkuk chapter 1. I just want to read some scriptures, and I probably won't give too much commentary because I want you to think for yourself and think critically, and see what you derive or what you can surmise from the scriptures that I'm going to share. Chapter 1, the pronouncement made by the prophet Habakkuk. How long, O Lord, shall I cry out and you not listen? Shall I shout to you violence and you not save? Why do you make me see iniquity? Why do you look upon wrong? Writing and violence are before me. Raiding and violence are before me. Strife continues and contention goes on. That is why decision fails and justice never emerges. For the villain hedges in the just man, therefore judgment emerges deformed. Look among the nations, observe well, and be utterly astounded. For a work is being wrought in your days which you would not believe if it were told. For lo, I am raising up the Chaldeans, that fierce, impetuous nation, who cross the earth's wide spaces to seize homes not their own. They are terrible, dreadful. They make their own laws and rules. Their horses are swifter than leopards, fleeter than wolves of the steppe. Their steeds gallop, their steeds come flying from afar. Now you tell me what you think